अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज मैं एक अनदर टॉपिक के साथ आई हूँ अबाउट द पीरियड्स ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। मैंने इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में आपसे पहले डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट इज़ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन एंड आई टेल यू दैट हाउ इट वाज क्रिएटेड। ओके, नाउ आई हैव कम विद द phases that in how many phases this period was flourished. The period of Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization consisting of three periods. Number one is primary period, second is middle period, and the third is last period. Primary period. Primary period extended from 300 BCE to 2500 BCE. Middle period was 2500 BCE to 1700 BCE, and the last period was 1700 BCE to 3000 BCE. During the primary period, urban life made a great progress. Means in the beginning of the period of Indus Valley, the urban life, the city life was made great progress. The art of handicrafts flourished. In the middle period, the civilization progressed well. Many new cities and villages were established. In the end of third period, the Indus Valley civilization was inclined towards downfall. Means यानी वो बिल्कुल नीचे ही की तरफ चला गया. Important cities of the Indus Valley civilization and मोहनजोदाड़ो. मोहनजोदाड़ो अगर आप मैप की तरफ जाएं तो बिल्कुल इंडस वैली के सामने लोकेटेड है. It is an Asian city situated in district Larkana, Sindh. This city was the most important center of Indus Valley. Indus River flows on its eastern part. The signs of Indus Valley civilization were first discovered in 1922 in Mohenjo-daro. During excavation, means digging of the land, the things which have been found here are ornaments, clay, bronze, utensils, seals, cards, boards, toys, statues, spindles, and skeletons of different animals. Bangles and beads of red clays are discovered from here, which has been worn by ladies and children. These are the things which are found by the historians during the digging. मीन्स खुदाई के वक्त उनको ये सब चीज़ें वहाँ से मिली जो वहाँ के लोग यूज़ करते थे. Bangles and beads of red clay are discovered from here, which had been worn by ladies and children. Along with the precious gems, oyster shells made of ornaments have also been used there. This is the picture of Mohenjo-daro. After the Mohenjo-daro cultivation, people are moving there, and the ruins of Harappa. You can see that the construction of the building was so strong that it is laid till here कि अभी तक वो अपनी ही सतह पे खड़ा हुआ है, गिरा नहीं है. Okay. These are the things that which is found during the digging of land. These are the toys, these are the ornaments, and these are the toys which you use. Then comes Harappa. Harappa is the second most important city of Indus Valley civilization. From here, a lot of assets has been discovered of this civilization. Solid clay utensils, seals, and systems of measurements and weights are included in it. Seals were made of solid clay, silver, and copper. The pictures of elephant and hummed bull are more prominent. Tools were made with bronze. Resemblance has been found in objects which have been found in both cities because both cities were the part of the Indus Valley civilization. These are the things which are found during the digging of Harappa civilization. Seals, clay pots. Okay, this is today's lecture. Hope you understand about this. I will come inshallah with another topic. Hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.